Fair warning, I have a degree in accounting, and this video is going to be about numbers that are missing from your bank account. Agency owners obsess about lead costs, but as an accountant, I see a different problem: inventory waste. I used to manage a restaurant, and if we bought ingredients and didn't use them, we went broke. In your agency, you buy leads and only close them. That is burning cash. So, let's get to the fun part, the numbers. So, let's just say that you spent 5,000 on ads and you got 100 leads. Out of those 100 leads, you closed, let's just say, 10 of them. And the average deal value for agencies is around 2,000. And the conservative number of this system for the reactivation rate is 10%. These are the numbers that could be in your bank account, but they are currently not utilized. That's a waste and that's a shame. For this exact reason, I created a system that takes the cold leads from your database and reactivates them. I don't trust humans to fix this. Humans forget. This system runs every morning at 9 a.m., sweeps the dead leads and asks them if they are still interested. And if a lead is interested, the owner gets notified immediately. I know what you're thinking. Will this AI go rogue and ruin my reputation? The answer is no. I build strict safety protocols into the logic. The first one is compliance. If a lead says stop, no, or unsubscribe, the system instantly blacklists them. They never hear from us again. The second one is the anti-hallucination layer. If a lead asks a specific question, the AI does not auto-reply. Instead, it drafts a professional response and sends it to you for approval. You stay in the driver's seat, we just build the car. I want to prove this math in the world. I'm looking for one agency partner to let me run this audit in their list for free. I revive your dead list, you keep the 10% that you are currently missing. I just want the case study. If you are interested, click the link below.